Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of airbrushing with what we believe is the best airbrush kit with compressor available. The Airbrush Kit with Compressor by GEDSTMDRK. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about what sets this airbrush kit apart from the rest. The GEDSTMDRK Airbrush Kit with Compressor offers unparalleled convenience and versatility, making it a must-have for artists of all levels. One of the standout features of this kit is its rechargeable cordless design. With a built-in battery that provides over 60 minutes of continuous usage, you can unleash your creativity anywhere you go. No more being tethered to a power outlet or dealing with tangled cords. Simply charge it up and you're ready to paint. But it's not just about convenience. This airbrush kit delivers exceptional performance too. With adjustable air pressure settings ranging from 23 psi to 48 psi, you have full control over your artwork. Whether you're working on fine details or covering large areas, this kit has you covered. And let's talk about versatility. This kit comes with 3 different capacity cups: 10cc, 20cc, and 40cc, allowing you to tackle any project with ease. Plus, with a 0.3mm fluid nozzle, you can achieve high precision and detailed work every time. But that's not all. The GEDSTMDRK Airbrush Kit with Compressor also comes with a range of accessories to make your life easier. From cleaning brushes and wash needles to paint brushes and a dropper, everything you need for maintenance and hassle-free cleaning is included. In conclusion, if you're in the market for an airbrush kit that combines convenience, performance, and versatility, look no further than the GEDSTMDRK Airbrush Kit with Compressor. With its rechargeable cordless design, adjustable air pressure settings, and range of accessories, it's the perfect tool for unleashing your creativity. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy painting!